AI is not replacing creators, it is replacing repetitive work. And for entrepreneurs, that changes everything. The question is no longer, can AI help me write faster? The better question is, where can AI increase my business capacity? I'm going to show you how to move from random prompts to a real AI workforce. Let's dive right in and get started. Traditionally, when a business grew, the founder hired help, a strategist, a content person, a salesperson, an operations person. But many early-stage digital businesses cannot hire a full team yet. That is where AI creates a new form of leverage. The mistake is using AI randomly. Random prompts create random outputs. A real AI workforce has roles. One system supports strategy, another supports offers. Another supports content, another supports sales, another supports automation. That is how AI becomes infrastructure instead of noise. Inside the digital doll ecosystem, the AI workforce supports the authority stack. Aurelia is here to support your CEO strategy and business vision. Cavia supports offers and pricing. Sophia manages your content systems to keep your brand consistent. May support sales and funnels. Alara supports automation and back-end operations. Each role connects to a layer of the business. Do not start by automating everything. Start with the bottleneck. Are you stuck on content? Build the content worker. Are you stuck on offers? Build the offer worker. Are you stuck on follow-up? Build the automation worker. The power is not in doing more. The power is in removing repetitive pressure from the founder. If you are ready to build your AI infrastructure, explore the AI Business Operating System at digitaldoll369.com. If you are still at the beginning and need a simple first framework, start with the AI Business Starter Kit.